ever considered what happens to your assets after you pass away? It's a thought that might not cross your mind often, but it's crucial. This is where estate planning comes into play. It's the art of managing your assets and affairs during your lifetime and orchestrating their distribution after your demise. The primary goal? To ensure your wishes are carried out, your loved ones are cared for, and your assets are distributed efficiently while minimizing taxes. Remember, estate planning isn't merely about death, it's about living too. So, what are the key components of estate planning? Let's kick things off with the will. A will is a legal document that spells out your wishes concerning how your assets should be distributed after your death. A will lets you name beneficiaries, detail what assets they are to inherit, and appoint an executor to make sure your wishes are carried out. It's also the place to nominate guardians for any minor children you may have. Next up, we have trusts. Trusts are legal entities that hold and manage assets for the benefit of specific beneficiaries. They can be a handy tool for sidestepping probate, caring for minor children, or managing assets for individuals with special needs. Trusts come in different flavors, including revocable living trusts, irrevocable trusts, and charitable trusts. Beneficiary designations are another crucial component. Certain assets, such as life insurance policies, retirement accounts, and bank accounts, allow you to name beneficiaries. These assets bypass the probate process and go directly to the named beneficiaries. It's vital to keep these designations current. The power of attorney is a significant component as well. This document empowers someone to make financial or medical decisions on your behalf if you become unable to do so. There are financial powers of attorney and healthcare powers of attorney, and it's important to have both. Last but not least, we have the Advanced Healthcare Directive, also known as a living will. This document clearly outlines your preferences for medical treatment and end-of-life care if you become incapacitated and can't make those decisions yourself. It's a way of maintaining control over your healthcare, even in situations where you're unable to voice your wishes. So, to recap, a will, trusts, beneficiary designations, powers of attorney, and advanced healthcare directives. These elements form a significant part of any comprehensive estate plan. Scene script. Let's continue our journey through the components of estate planning. Now, if you have minor children, guardianship for minor children is a vital component. This aspect of your estate plan allows you to designate a guardian who will take care of your children in the unfortunate event of your death or incapacity. It's an important step in ensuring your children's well-being and security. Next up, we have tax planning. Estate taxes can take a significant bite out of the value of your estate passed on to heirs. Therefore, your estate plan can include strategies to minimize these taxes, such as gifting, taking advantage of tax exemptions, and utilizing trusts. Asset protection, another key component, involves measures to protect your assets from potential creditors, lawsuits, or other claims. This might involve the use of certain types of trusts or other legal structures. It's about safeguarding your hard-earned assets for your loved ones. If you own a business succession planning becomes a crucial part of your estate plan. This involves creating a plan for the transfer or sale of your business, ensuring its continued operation after your passing. It's about leaving a legacy that continues to thrive. A letter of intent, while not a legally binding document, provides guidance to your executor or beneficiaries about your wishes and intentions regarding personal and sentimental items, funeral arrangements, and more. It's a way of adding a personal touch to your estate plan. Lastly, but certainly not least, is the review and update component. Estate planning is not a one-time task. Life changes, financial situations evolve, and laws get updated. Hence, your estate plan should be reviewed and updated regularly to reflect these changes and ensure it continues to meet your objectives. So there we have it, the key components of estate planning. Each plays its part in creating a comprehensive strategy for managing your assets and affairs during your lifetime and distributing those assets after your death. Remember, your estate plan should reflect your personal circumstances and wishes. Estate planning may seem complex, but it's essential. It's about crafting a will, setting up trusts, designating beneficiaries, and even planning for potential incapacity. It's about ensuring your assets are protected and distributed according to your wishes, and most importantly, it's about safeguarding your loved ones' futures. Remember, estate planning isn't a one-time task. It needs regular review and updating. Don't hesitate to seek professional help. Your estate plan is your final love letter to your loved ones. Make it count.